Can you imagine tracking your body's vital signs with just a small ring? Hi, I'm Robert from Healthnews, and today I'll be taking a closer look at the Ultrahuman Ring AIR, a device designed to make health monitoring simple and easily accessible. Before we delve into the world of Ultrahuman Ring AIR, why not take a moment to glance at the description below? We have a special deal waiting for you. Now, you're probably curious what the Ultrahuman Ring AIR is. To put it simply, it's a smart ring that monitors health statistics like sleep, activity, and recovery, with personalized insights to help you improve your health. The Ultrahuman Ring AIR offers continuous 24/7 health tracking with its lightweight build and integrated sensors, quietly recording health parameters and transmitting them to your phone via Bluetooth. The ring's battery may last up to 6 days, meaning you might not have to charge it too often. So in order to offer a perfect fit, Ultrahuman provides a Ring AIR sizing kit to help choose the optimal size for your finger. And each of these 10 different ring sizes will help you choose the optimal size for your finger. The design is sleek and minimalistic, resembling regular jewelry with its subtle appearance. The ring is robust yet lightweight, crafted from titanium with a tungsten carbide coating, and claimed to be 11 times lighter than a typical smartwatch. The ring is water resistant. It withstands activities like washing hands or showering, though rinsing and drying after exposure to salty or chlorinated water is advised. The ring has tiny bumps on the inside. These are 6 different sensors: an infrared photoplethysmography sensor, a non-contact medical-grade skin temperature sensor, a 6-axis motion sensor, and red LEDs for heart rate monitoring and oxygen saturation, green LEDs for heart rate monitoring, and infrared LEDs for heart rate monitoring. To ensure optimal functionality, it is advised to position the ring so that the sensors are facing the inner side of the finger. The inner surface of the ring is coated with a medical-grade hypoallergenic epoxy resin, making it comfortable to wear at all times. The product has a USB-C Type-C charging dock. It's simple to charge. You just need to pop the ring on top of the dock, and the LED light will indicate when it's fully charged. 2 to 3 hours to fully charge the ring from 0 to 100%. And it lasts up to 6 days on a full charge. Make sure the ring is fully charged. Download the Ultrahuman app on the App Store or the Google Play Store to sync health data from the ring and receive notifications. Leave the ring on the charging dock. To pair it, I turn on my phone and I've connected the ring. I press start my journey, and I can see at this point that the ring is trying to synchronize with the app that's on my phone through the Bluetooth pairing request. Gotta enter in my height, in this case 185, and then my age. It's now giving a few different questions here: gender, male, activity level, medium, and there you go. The app is a crucial part of your experience with Ultrahuman Ring AIR. It not only provides information about the battery level of the ring, but also displays multiple health metrics and provides personalized tips. Make sure to enable notifications to get personalized advice from the app. For example, based on your health data, the app might suggest reducing stimulant intake, like caffeine, or recommend increasing activity levels. As mentioned before, the ring has 6 different sensors in it. They measure various body parameters, such as heart rate, HRV, body temperature, SpO2, blood oxygen saturation, sleep stages, movement frequency, and recovery patterns, among others. These parameters are used to calculate movement index, sleep index, recovery scale, and the phase response curve. The scores of each index can range from 0 to 100. The higher each score is, the better you're doing health-wise. Each index includes different health metrics within them. You can see if these metrics are optimal or need more attention. The movement index tells you about your physical activity. It is influenced by factors such as the number of steps you've walked throughout the day and the duration of the physical activity, which is tracked by the ring. The closer the index is to 100, the more active you are. The sleep index. It tells you how good your sleep health is. The higher the index is, the more optimal your sleep quality is. It combines metrics such as sleep duration, resting heart rate, and body temperature, which are tracked by the ring as you sleep. There are also insights into different stages of sleep, including REM, or rapid eye movement, light, and deep sleep. Recovery includes multiple parameters determining your rest and activity levels for the next day. Based on 5 metrics: sleep quality, movement index, temperature, resting heart rate, and heart rate variability, or HRV, Ultrahuman AIR determines your body's readiness for the next day. HRV is a variation in the time interval between consecutive heartbeats. It's a good indicator of your body's recovery. The higher the HRV score is, the better your health and recovery. Let's talk about the phase response curve, or PRC. It shows how your body's internal clock, called the circadian rhythm, reacts to different things like light, food, or exercise. It helps us understand how these activities can change our sleep-wake cycle over time. When it comes to physical activity, if your movement index gets lower than usual, the app might send you notifications reminding you to go on a walk. Similarly, if you go to bed later than usual, the ring will be able to track this data, and you might get a notification from the app telling you about the importance of sleep hygiene. Also, if your resting heart rate is higher than usual, you might get nudges telling you to avoid stimulants like coffee at that moment. Here's some additional thoughts about the Ultrahuman app. You can connect the Ultrahuman app with other fitness apps, allowing you to combine the metrics. There's a whole library with a variety of content: yoga tutorials, meditation, and sleep music. It's all free of charge, without any in-app downloads. In contrast, some other smart ring brands have monthly subscription fees for the app. So what's my genuine take on Ultrahuman Ring AIR? First, I find the personalized health questions on the app quite valuable. While many health and fitness devices offer similar metrics or merely display the data on the app, Ultrahuman goes a step further by providing personalized notifications and practical advice based on individual health metrics, resulting in a notably more convenient user experience. Another notable feature is the device's compact size and comfort, allowing for continuous wearing, even during sleep. I find it much more comfortable than bulkier smartwatches. Additionally, Ultrahuman claims that data collected from a finger is more accurate than from the wrist. It's because of a higher perfusion index and the tiny blood vessels in our fingers. Now, did I notice any drawbacks? Navigating the Ultrahuman Ring AIR app can be a bit time-consuming, as it takes some effort to locate all the features and understand their meanings. There's quite a bit of tapping around and reading of small text involved. A guided tour for first-time users upon logging into the app, an instructional YouTube video, or a traditional user guide included in the box would have been greatly appreciated. Another area of improvement could be adding reminders for when the battery is running low. As of now, there's no possible way of knowing when the ring's battery is about to die unless you check the Ultrahuman app. Implementing features such as ring vibrations or LED lights to alert users before the battery runs low could be beneficial. However, it's worth noting that this is a minor drawback, considering the impressive battery life of the device, particularly given its small size. All in all, it's impressive how such a tiny device can help me gain a better understanding of my own health. So if it's something that interests you, I highly recommend trying it out. Also, if you decide to get Ultrahuman Ring AIR, the great news is that you'll only have to pay for it once, as this product doesn't have any subscriptions and the app is completely free. If you're curious to find out more about biohacking or other health-related topics, click the subscribe button to join our Health News community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.